don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just...
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. The boss is back. Hey you guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Linda, a wife, a mom of 3 beautiful girls. On my channel, I post so many home decor ideas videos, a little bit of cooking and cleaning. Please consider subscribing before I leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you are new. I would love to know you better. Thank you so much for your love and support. Now let's get started. This video is in collaboration with one of my YouTube sisters here. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, I am collaborating with one of my YouTube sisters here. Her name is Tinji. Her channel's name is Home Decor DIYs and More with Tinji Web. On her channel she posts tons of home decor, cooking, cleaning, DIYs and more. And her house is so beautiful. You will enjoy her channel. When you are done watching my video, head over to her channel, show her some love, let her know that Linda sent you. And I will link her channel in my description box down below. Thank you guys so much. Now let's get into it. If you are from Tinji's channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future uploads. Now, let's get started.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light?
To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Your comment and liking are truly appreciative. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for everything. Love you guys. Now keep on watching to see the final result.
I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that I leave tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment down below. Thank you so much. See you next time in my next one. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, à bientôt, adios, bye.
Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been.